oat sultana bread, a soft golden loaf packed with oats and sweet, chewy sultanas. Let's get started. Let's begin with 345 ml of water. Add 50 grams of oats to the water and let them soak for a few minutes. Measure out 400 grams of bread flour and 100 grams of whole wheat flour. Now add in 10 grams of salt. Next, add 5 grams of yeast. Now pour in the soaked oats and water. Mix everything together until a dough starts to form. Once the dough comes together, add in your sultanas. Gently fold them into the dough until they are evenly distributed. Now lightly flour your work surface. Knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Once the dough is nice and smooth, transfer it to a lightly oiled bowl and cover it with cling wrap. Let it proof for about an hour or until it has doubled in size. After an hour, lightly flour your work surface again and prepare for shaping. Gently tip the dough out and shape it into a rough oblong. Lightly stretch the top and bottom, then fold the sides into the middle. Now roll the dough from the top. As you roll, tuck your thumbs in to seal it tightly. Transfer the dough onto a baking tray with the seam side down. Let it proof for another hour. While you wait, preheat your oven to 220 Celsius. Place a baking pan filled with water on the bottom rack. This will create steam and help give your bread a crispy crust. Optionally, you can score the bread with a sharp knife for a decorative finish. Bake for 40 to 45 minutes or until the bread has a golden crust. Once baked, transfer the bread to a cooling rack and let it completely cool before slicing. Enjoy!